So very closest our friends and also all of our Sangha members, dear friends. I'm very pleased and happy to come to all the time in this temple. Whenever we come, we can see new improvement. Our Parua and all of our Buddhist community be very happy because our very energetic and active as well as well disciplined one of the young monk now your abbot here. Thank you again, Venerable Samahito. You are the person trained him, ordained him, took care of him and taught him and even sent to this country. Again, grateful to you. Make us such a lovely monk who works with every community, not only Bengali, Sri Lankan, Thai, Cambodian, Laosian, Vietnamese, all of Buddhist communities. He is, wherever go, he is really very wonderful organizer helping all of our communities. Today is a special day. Today is a special day because this month is our Lord Buddha's birth, enlightenment, Parinibbana, this thrice blessed day we celebrate around the world all the time in this month. This temple today is celebrating that event. In addition to that, you are planting the Bodhi tree as well as some special ceremony for us. That's the greatest thing. You know, the Lord Buddha's birth and the greatest thing to the whole world. Since now over 2,600 years past, yet day and night our Lord Buddha's teaching expressing around the world. Especially number one is thank you again, Venerable Sir. You are today want to have a Bodhi tree. Why? Bodhi tree symbolizes gratitude. When our Lord Buddha got full enlightenment under the Bodhi tree at Bodh Gaya, second week, without closing his eyes, he shows his gratitude to the Bodhi tree 7 days. That is the reason why we respecting the Bodhi tree to symbolizing we want to show our gratitude to anyone help us. By the way, today in America and other part of the European world, all the time looking for the how to be happy. Now they are doing research, many things. One of the professors at Harvard University in the Department of the Psychology, her name is Lori Santhosan. She expressed very well. Number one thing to be happy person, show your gratitude towards whoever helped you. That is our Lord Buddha's number one message. That message symbolizing today you going to plant the Bodhi tree in these promises. Again, Bodhi tree is give a lot of help for us, in especially Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and our Asian countries have a greatest respect to the Bodhi tree due to many reasons. Our Indian tradition, ancient Indian in Harappa, over 4,000 years ago, even the Bodhi leaf symbolizes like a peace and harmony. Again, the Bodhi tree in Indian believe, in Sri Lanka and other part of the world believe, deities live in the Bodhi tree protecting us. Therefore, Bodhi tree has so many greater symbols. I do not have time to explain. That is another greatest thing you are doing here. Here today, our most venerable, I'm so sorry to say I could not go to Thailand last week. I think May 14 has a big ceremony. Our venerable Samahito, thank you for you. You are the person arranged this one to us. You are collected 3 candidates in this country, myself and Venerable Satchapanyo, and also our Vipulananda Thero selected to honor this Asoka pillar. Now, Asoka pillar also give a very great symbol. This 4 lion expresses 4 noble truths. Emperor Asoka is the greatest person who lived in this planet.
Who is first?
If anyone, any countries, any leaders follow his teaching, that country, that politician, that president, that prime minister going to be a successful person. He wrote many things. As you know, after Kalinga war, Orissa now was so disappointed. Young boy, like your age, 7 years old, Negro the Samanera, his behavior, Emperor Asoka became a Buddhist. After he became a Buddhist, he sent 18 countries to Buddhism, including Thailand, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar, and so forth countries. His main teaching, there are a lot of things. Buddha's teaching, nothing else. He concluded 3 things. That is very important to all of us. Number 1, what is Emperor Asoka saying, Buddha's teaching? Upper Have Munisa Paja Mama. In this country living everybody's, no caste, any nationalities, any district, anyone live, all of people are my children. Have Munisa Paja Mama. All of people are my children. As a leader, as a king, as a prime minister, as a president, if he thinks after become a president, all of people in my children, they never ever discriminate, never punish, never revenge from other people. Second thing is what he says. Emperor Asoka saying, my religion is Buddhism. While I do respecting and helping my religion, I respect all of other religions. That is the Buddha's teaching. Buddha says respect for other religions. Following Buddha's way, he also emphasizes respect other religion while you are practicing your religion. Third thing is a very important thing. What does he say? Apa Bhadatha, Apa Viyata Sadhu. Simple life as well as living without any corruption, living, that is the greatest life, successful life. So if we follow in these things, even ourselves, it is going to be successful life. Therefore, I have a greatest respect for this. Here is not only Bengali, our Thai people are here too. Thai communities and Bengali communities also have a greater Saddha faith. You know, when I came 1976 to this country, I am not this country without Thai people support. That time I did not have any Sri Lankan or any other Bangladesh or any devotees, only Thai people supported and helped me. Again, Thai people, this all of among this, our most venerable Sumana Mahathera. I met him 1983 in Thailand, Wat Saket, and he also got all of support help from Thai community. That's why he have been doing tremendous services to Buddhism and also every communities. Almost now 40 years he have been doing a lot of services. So many Bengali monks coming from via Thailand to this country. Also the other part of the world. Also our Vietnamese monk, very high-ranking as well as very good monk. Our Venerable Satchapanyo, we came together same year. He also, before come to here, he lived in Thailand. He speaks fluent Thai language. Still, unfortunately, I'm not speaking Thai language, but he does. That way also Thai people did a lot of services. Therefore, Venerable Sir, our gratitude go to the Thai community, Thai Sangha members. You have been doing greatest services to the Buddha Sasana. Therefore, we know our Sri Lankan Sangha Council in North America have a greatest respect for our most venerable Raj Vajira Dhamma Videsh Venerable Sathakit Mahathero. Therefore, our Sangha Council want to honor him. Sri Lanka Sangha Council of the North America wishes to honor Venerable Sathakit, Abbot of the Wat Nak Pro Temple, Bangkok, Thailand, President of the Overseas Thai Sangha Council. We confirm upon him the title Sasana Daja. Sasana Daja means he is the promoting Buddhism every part of the world, and like a Buddhist flag, carrying the Buddhist flag. Sasana Daja in recognizing of his dedication, services to the Buddha Sasana, his compassion and kindness is a sharing example to us all on the 24th day of May in the year. Behalf of the Sangha Council, myself I sign, also Venerable Royal Pandit Ambalangoda Politha Naikathera, President and Abbot of the Sarat Chandra Buddhist Center, North Hollywood, Vice President of the Sri Lanka Sangha Council. We honor Venerable your services. Thank you again. We love to offer to you this.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
So I won't take more time because the time is passing. Thank you again, all of you. Please forgive me if anyone name I forget. And again, our all of our Bengali Buddhists. You are doing marvelous things and tremendous dedication and devotion. We all understand what is going on in Bangladesh, yet you never ever change our religion, Buddhism. Your blood, your heart, everything with Mr. Buddhism. That is the reason why you never even get the presidency in the Bangladesh. You are never ever change your religion. Thank you again, Bengali people, and behalf of our Buddhist community. Thank you so much again. May you be well and happy. Thank you.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.